Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to do the exercise with lesson the yellow butterfly lesson. Page number 40. Workbook solution. Third standard. Unit 5. Now today we are going to start the exercises and question answers. Okay बच्चों, get ready. Take your workbooks. Page number 40. Take your workbooks. The yellow butterfly. Now start. Answer the question. Answer the questions. What flew in सोनू's garden? बच्चों हम लोग प्रीवियस वीडियो में सोनू एक लड़का था, वो लड़का उसके गार्डन में एक बटरफ्लाई बैठती थी, वहाँ से उड़ती थी, फिर रोज पे बैठती थी, वहाँ से उड़ के फिर लोटस पे बैठती थी और फिर उसने बटरफ्लाई कैच कर लिया, बहुत मुश्किल से कैच किया और फिर वो बटरफ्लाई सैड थी इसलिए सोनू उसको छोड़ दिया, तो वो बटरफ्लाई हैप्पीली फ्लाई करने लगी। बस यही स्टोरी के अभी क्वेश्चन आंसर हम लोग लिखने जा रहे हैं। नोट डाउन। व्हाट फ्लू इन सोनू's garden? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट फ्लू इन सोनू's garden? A yellow butterfly flew in सोनू's garden. The yellow butterfly flew in Sonu's garden. Where did Sonu first see the yellow butterfly? Second question. Sonu first saw the yellow butterfly on a red rose. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में सी दिया है. Where did Sonu first see the yellow butterfly? अभी ये सी क्वेश्चन में सा हो जाएगा. सी प्रेजेंट टेंस है और सा पास्ट टेंस है. चलो बच्चों, अभी हम लिखेंगे सेकेंड आंसर. सोनू फर्स्ट saw the yellow butterfly on a red rose. What was there in the pond? There was a white lotus in the pond. There was a white lotus the pond. What happened when Sonu climbed the peach tree? When Sonu climbed the peach tree, the butterfly flew down from the tree. Fifth one, name the three places where the butterfly rested. The butterfly rested on a red rose, on a lotus leaf, in the pond, and on a pink flower of the peach. The butterfly rested on a red rose, on a lotus leaf, lotus leaf in the pond and on a red rose pink flower of the peach tree. Now bachcho, I think you are finished. Sixth one. Why did Sonu chase the butterfly? Sonu chased the butterfly because he wanted to catch it. Sonu chased the butterfly because he wanted to catch it. Seventh one. Where was the butterfly caught? The butterfly was caught in a spider's web. The butterfly was caught in a spider's web. Eighth one. What was there in the middle of the web? What was there in the middle of the web? There was a big hungry spider in the middle of the web. There was a big hungry spider in the middle of the web. Page number 41. Page number 41. What did Sonu do when he saw the spider crawling towards the butterfly? Ninth question. When Sonu saw the spider crawling towards the butterfly, he ran and caught the butterfly. When Sonu saw the spider crawling towards the butterfly, caught the butterfly. Caught the butterfly. Now bachcho, I think you have finished your writing. Now 10th question. Why did Sonu let the butterfly go? Sonu let the butterfly go because it looked sad in his hand and he wanted it to be happy. Tenth one. Why did Sonu let the butterfly go? Sonu let the butterfly go because it looked sad in his hands and he wanted it to be happy. वो उसको बटरफ्लाई को खुश रहना पसंद करता था. कौन? सोनू. 11th question. What did the butterfly do when Sonu let it go? Why? The butterfly flew merrily from flower to flower because it was free once again. 11th one, answer. The butterfly flew merrily from flower to flower because it was free once again. Now बच्चों we are going to question number second. Write the correct option A, B, C or D in the box. I think you are finished this one. Now finish to write. Write the correct option A, B, C, D in the box. First one, the butterfly was brown, yellow, blue, red. The butterfly was yellow. Second, in first, the option is B. Second one, at first the butterfly sat on a spider's web, fig tree, red rose, lotus leaf. At first the butterfly sat on a red rose. C. Third one, where did the butterfly go from the red rose, fig tree, spider's web, yellow rose, lotus leaf? Which one? D. Lotus leaf. In the pond there was a white lotus, red lotus, pink lotus, yellow lotus. Which one in the pond? There was a white lotus. Option A. Fifth one. From the lotus flower, the butterfly flew to a fig tree, pond, red rose, spider's web. Which one from the lotus flower? The butterfly flew to a fig tree. A. Option A. The butterfly was caught in a yellow flowers, red flowers, spider's web, brown leaves. Where the butterfly was caught in C. Spider's web. Option C. Seventh one. The butterfly looked as dash as it tried to escape from the web. Write down in the fill in the blanks. B. A. Happy. B. Sad. C. Pretty. D. Lovely. B1. Sad. Option B. Eighth one. The butterfly dashed to escape from the web, twisted and flew, torn and flew. D. Twisted and torn. Twisted and torn is the correct option. D. The butterfly dashed its wings to escaped from the web. Twisted, turned, fluttered, moved. Which one is correct? The butterfly is trying to escape from the web. Fluttered. C. Option C. Number 10. The spider looked hungry, happy, weak, sad. The spider looked hungry. A option. Sonu let the butterfly go because it was pretty, it was pretend. He wanted it to be happy. He wanted to catch it. Sonu let the butterfly go because he wanted it to be happy. C. Option C. The butterfly was happy because it was free once again. It was caught in the web. C. Sonu saved it. D. It was pretty. Which one is correct? The butterfly was happy because option A. It was free once again.